So here's my RTV, high temp RTV silicone, and I've got my Helicoil. I've got my tool to drive it in. I'm going to put some of this on here, and I don't want to get any on my hands, but I did. Then I'm going to take this, I'm going to thread it into the cylinder head. So once again, kind of a tight spot, but we'll manage, I hope. Actually, I believe the best way to do this is going to be to go ahead and make sure I don't get any in the hole. Once again, make sure you have the knurled end out. I'm going to stick the spark plug in there to get that in there. I think that might be the easiest job.